Hello beauty connoisseurs, welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for supporting and always viewing my videos. I really appreciate you so much. If you are new here, welcome as well, and if you don't mind, go ahead and take a moment and hit the red subscription button down below so that you can become a part of the Beauty Connoisseur family. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, she's a red carpet unit and her name is Musical. And I did a review on her previously, and I'll leave the information card right there. So today is Wonderful Wig Wednesday. Yay! And I have another wig from the company called The Wig, and so far this is the third one, and they're always 100% natural blend lace fronts. And they always come in these really pretty black boxes. And tightly packed. This is the stock card. And this one is called LH Water. And I guess they're calling it that because of these waterways. And I got it in bright red, like I did that other unit that was called LH Bora. And I'll leave the information card for that unit as well. It was very pretty. So I'm gonna get this out of the box off camera. Their units come so tightly compact that I don't want to waste your time showing you while I'm pulling all that out of the package. But this is the length and the wave pattern and the color of the wig. It's a very, very, very soft texture, very, very light yaki. It's not shiny, and it has the hard lace like the other one did. There's the parting space, which is very nice. And you have the two combs at the front and the one comb at the back. So we are going to pop on Miss LH Water. All right, I think LH Water is very pretty, especially to be an older unit. But it's not fitted ear to ear, or maybe, I don't know. I can't tell if this is an ear tab or not, but it stops right here. But it doesn't fit tight, and I didn't adjust the straps in the back, so I believe you could wear it if your head is 23 inches, and also you can adjust it if your head is smaller. So I like that it's dark red. Let's see how long it is. It's a nice length. Not too long, not too short. It looks like it's about 16 inches, maybe 18. Let you see how it looks all the way around. And it's a nice density, and it's not hot, it's not heavy, it's lightweight. And really the only dilemma I'm having is if I don't think I should do anything to the curls, because all that's gonna do is make it bigger. So I'm not gonna do anything to the curls. I'm just gonna put some powder in the parting space, and I think that's it. And I really think that's all you need to do to the part. I wouldn't pluck it. I don't like plucking on these curly units because it disturbs the curl pattern and it starts to look frizzy and fuzzy. So I wouldn't do anything else to this. I don't need any wispy hairs. I mean, that's really all I need to do. Sometimes we try to make it so I'm expecting to do a lot of work, and when I don't have to, I'm like, oh, okay. Let's just keep it simple. So, now my only dilemma is, what sunglasses should I wear? So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching so much. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.